Yo, I don't know who needs to hear this, but bro, sometimes you need to go through a season of restoring honor to your word. Sometimes you need to go through a period after you've completely fucked it off and made promises you can't keep to a bunch of people that don't trust you anymore. You need to just lay low, die down, take a step back, and focus on making your word mean something to your motherfucking self. Now I'm currently involved in e-commerce, right? I run 3 e-commerce brands along with my buddies. And I'm in charge of a certain department, or at the very least I was, until I started under delivering after over promising. Now that happens in a bunch of scenarios. People think that making promises, fuck that. Sometimes you, bro, think that making promises is just to other people, but no, these promises that you make to other people are promises to yourself as well that you're not keeping. And the number one thing that you just cannot lose in this life is trust in yourself. If you don't believe in your own motherfucking word, how are you going to trust yourself to accomplish or do anything? How are you going to live up to any of the expectations that you have for yourself? Fuck other people's, right? Sometimes you need to go to a season where you don't promise anybody fucking anything. You don't promise shit. You just focus on doing. You just focus on not missing. You focus on delivering. I went to sleep at 12 o'clock yesterday. I told myself I'm waking up at 4:30. I woke up at 4:23. Bitch, I don't miss. I don't fucking miss. I don't fucking miss. And that's me holding my word to myself. I don't care if I got enough sleep or not, brother. Sometimes you just need to make sure that you don't miss. You need to hold that promise to yourself. Once you've restored that faith in your own word and your honor as a man, then you can focus on making promises to other people. Then you can focus on delivering to other people. But sometimes you need to take a step back and just focus on you, bro. And I wish I knew this sooner. It would have saved me so much headache and so much disappointment and so much lost trust and so much dysfunctional relationship that now I have to fix because I have to honor myself. I have to reclaim my honor, bro. I'm literally a samurai, fam. I'm literally a samurai. But I don't know if you needed to hear this. There you go, brother. Sometimes you need to focus on restoring word to yourself in your own name, your own clansman name. You dig? Either way, bye, man. Be the change you wish to inspire. Take an off season, man. Focus on making your word mean something. Focus on holding up to who you say you are and what you say you do when you say you'll do it. Ciao.